Hello student, today I will teach you chapter 3 of arithmetic problem, that is speed, time and distance. This is a totally new chapter for you and this is completely formula based chapter. So first I will tell you what is the formula, which formula you will use in this chapter, and then we will begin the exercise. So the first formula, the basic formula of this chapter is speed is equal to distance upon time. You have to calculate in this chapter speed, distance and time, and the relation between these three is mentioned here in this formula. So what is the relation between speed, distance and time? Speed is equal to distance upon time, and from this you can find one more formula for the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance, if you want to calculate distance, then you can write the formula speed into time, and if you want to calculate time, then you can write time is equal to distance upon speed. So based on these three formulas you can solve the exercise. So before starting the exercise I will tell you first some solved examples, and then we will start the exercise. Now the first example is a train covers a distance of 20 km in 30 minutes. What is its speed in kilometer per hour? So first you note down what is given in this question. So distance is given, distance is 20 km, time is given, time is 30 minutes, and then you have to calculate the speed. So first you note down. So distance is equal to distance is equal to 20 kilometer, and time is equal to 30 minutes. And here you can see the speed you have to calculate in kilometer per hour. So you will change this time which is given in minutes, that you will change in hours. So to change this minute in hours, you will divide it by 60. Since you know 60 minute, you will divide by 30 minute, you will divide by 60, then it will be converted into hours. You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60 hours. So here, so what you will get here, 1 by 2 hours. 31 are 30, 32 are 1 by 2 hours. So time is 1 by 2 hours. Now next thing which you have to calculate is speed. Speed is equal to question mark. So write the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So now write the values which is given here. Distance is equal to 20 kilometer and speed is half hours. So now you can write it 20 into 2 by 1 kilometer per. So it will come 40 kilometer per hour. So this is your answer. In this way you have seen that first we will convert this time which is given in minute into hours, and then we will use the formula, and then we will get the answer in kilometer per hour. Now let us do the next example. Now next example, the speed of a car is 60 km per hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? So again you note down what is given in this question. Speed is equal to 60 km per hour, and time is given 3 hours. Time also is given in hour and speed is also in kilometer per hour. Therefore, no need to change anything. Now, what you have to find, how far will it travel? Means you have to find the distance. You have to calculate the distance. So, what is the formula for distance? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore, distance is equal to cross multiply you will do, then you will get distance is equal to speed into time. Now what is the speed? Speed is and time is 3 hours. You will multiply, you will get 180 kilometer. So the distance is 180 kilometer. This is your answer. Now next topic is conversion of units of speed. So first one in that you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So how you will convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? So suppose this is 1 kilometer per hour and you want to change this 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So you will change this kilometer in meter and hours into second. So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And hours, how you will change in seconds? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. When you will change this 60 minutes into seconds, then we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So here 60 into 60 seconds. So this 0 is cancelled with this. This is cancelled with this. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So 5 by 18 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. And conversely, you can write, if you want to change 1 meter per second in kilometer per hour, then 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is the conversion of units of speed. Now let us start exercise 3, question number 1. A car covers a distance of 16 km in 15 minutes. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. So here distance is given, time is given. You have to calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. So first you note down in question number 1 what is given here. So distance is given. Distance is equal to 16 kilometer. Time 15 minutes and you have to calculate speed. So first we will change this minute into hours. So how to change this minute into hours? You all know 15 by 60. Then it will be converted into hours. Now simplify 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. So 1 by 4 hours. Now write the formula for the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 16 kilometer. Time is 1 by 4 hour. It is in fraction, so you will multiply with the reciprocal of that. You all know this. So it will be 4 by 1 kilometer per hour. 16 fours are 64. 64 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. So very systematically you have to do. First you note down what is given in the question and what is asked in the question. If it is asked for speed, you put a question mark, means it indicates that this you have to calculate. Next step is to write the formula for that and then you put the values which is given in the question and simplify it. You will get your answer. Now question number 1, second part. A man runs from a place A to B in 1 hour 30 minutes. If the distance between the two places is 6 km, find his speed. Just like first one, here also time is given and distance is given and you have to calculate the speed. So first you note down what is given here. Here first distance you note down. Distance is 6 km and time is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes and you have to calculate speed. So change this in hours. 1 hour is already given in hour plus 30 minutes. So 30 minutes you change in hour. 1 hour plus 30 by 60 hours, that is 1 by 2. So 1 whole 1 by 2 hours. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 hours. You can change it into improper form. Now you can write the formula as we have done in the previous question. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 6 kilometer. Time is 3 by 2 hours. So you can write 6 into 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. You will multiply with the reciprocal since it is in division. So you will multiply it with the reciprocal. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4. So 4 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. Now question number 2, first part. A train takes 2.5 hours to reach Howrah from Asansol. If the speed of the train is 80 km per hour, then find the distance between the two places. So in this question, time is given and distance is given. Time is given and speed is given. You have to find the distance. So note down what is given in this question. Second, first one. So in this first, you note down time is given 2.5 hours. So you can change it into improper form. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 hours, and speed is 80 kilometer per hour. Both are given in hours, so no need to change anything. Now what you have to calculate? Distance. So what is the formula for distance? Directly you can write the formula for distance. You know already what is the formula for distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So you write here the values. Speed is 80 and time is 5 by 2. It will come in kilometer to 40. 45 is 200. 200 kilometer will be your answer. Now question number third, first one. A car travels at a speed of 50 km per hour. How long will it take to cover 175 km? So in this what you have to calculate? In this you have to calculate time. Speed is given and distance is given and you have to calculate time. So first you note down what is given. Third, first one. So what is the speed given here? Speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour and distance is equal to 175 kilometer. And what you have to calculate? Time. Question mark. Formula for time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Write the values. So distance is 175 kilometer and speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So you can divide with 5. So with 5 you will cut then 5 tens are, and here 5 threes are 15, so 5 fives are 35 by 10. That will be 3.5 hours. Time will be in hours only. So this is your answer. The speed of a car is 45 km per hour. Find speed in meter per second. Very easy question this is. Here the speed is given in kilometer per hour and you have to change in meter per second. So speed is equal to how much? 45 km per hour. You have to change it in meter per second. Find the speed in meter per second is equal to question mark. So 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meter per second. So here 45 kilometer per hour is equal to 45 into 5 by 18 meter per second. You have to solve this. So both are divisible by 9. 9 5s are and 9 2s are. So 25 by 2 meter per second, or you can write it 12.5. You will divide 25 by 2, then you will get 12.5 meter per second. This is your answer. fourth, second one, convert 10 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Convert 10 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So you know 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So you change it. Now 10 meter per second is equal to 10 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 2s are 10. So it will come 36 kilometer per hour. So this is your fourth second part. Fifth, first one, a train runs at 72 kilometer per hour. What is its speed in meter per minute? So speed is given 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour, and you have to find the speed in meter per minutes. That you have to find out. So you change 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 means here you will change it 1000. So it will be 1000 meter, and hours in minute will be 60 minutes. Meter per minute 1000 upon 60. So 72 kilometer per hour is equal to, you will change this kilometer in meter and hours into minutes only. And earlier you have seen we were changing this minutes into second, then we are getting the other figure here 5 by 18 meter per second. But here only you have to change kilometer in meter and hours in minutes. So 72 kilometer per hour. So 72 into 1000 divided by 60 meter per minutes. 0 0 cancel, and then with 6 it will be 12 up, 12 into 100, 1200. 1200 meter per minute. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now fifth, second one, a cyclist speed is 5 meter per second. How many kilometer does he covers in 1 hour? So here it is asked what is its speed in kilometer per hour. It is asked here how many kilometer does he cover in 1 hour. What does it means? It means that he is asked, in this question it is asked the speed to find out in kilometer per hour. In 1 hour how many kilometer. So you have to simply change 5 meter per second in kilometer per hour. You have to change that. So speed here is given. Speed is given 5 meter per second, and you have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So you know how to change this. 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore, 5 meter per second is equal to 5 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 cancel. Simply 18 kilometer per hour is your answer. Now question number 6. A train takes 3 hours to reach station B from station A, which is 144 km away. How long will it take to cover 240 km? So in this question, 2 parts. You have to calculate this question in 2 parts. In first part, from the detail which is given, you will find the speed. And using that speed, you will find in the next part how much time is taken there. So here you see a train takes 3 hours to reach a station B from A, which is 144 km away. So in first part, time is given and distance is given. So you will find in first part you will calculate speed, and second part it is asked how long will it take to cover 240 km. So in this second part you have to calculate time. So let us start this question number 6. So first it is given time. Time is equal to 3 hours, and distance is given 144 kilometers. So find out the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. 144 kilometer divided by 3 hours. 3 fours are 12, 2 3 eights are. So 48 kilometer per hour is the speed. Now the train is traveling with this speed. This is the speed now, and it has to travel 240 kilometer. Now in the second part of this, speed is 48 kilometer per hour, and the train has to travel how much distance? How much it has to travel? 240 kilometer. Then what we have to calculate here? Time. In first part, what we have to calculate? Speed is equal to question mark, and in the second part, time. So what is the formula for time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance divided by speed. So what is the value of distance? 240 kilometer. Speed is 48 kilometer per hour. Now with 24 both are divisible. 24 ones are 24, means 10 here you will get, and 24 twos are, and 2 ones are 2 fives are. So the answer is 5 hours. This is your answer. When you will divide 24 by 48, you can do in rough column also. Otherwise simply it is clear. 24 tens are 240 and 24 twos are 48 and 2 fives are 10. So 5 hours is your answer. Now question number 7. The distance between two places is 120 km. A car traveling of a certain speed can cover the distance in 2 hours 30 minutes. By how many kilometers per hour should the speed of the car be increased for it to take 30 minutes less to cover the same distance? So here what is given? 120 kilometers is the distance, and the car is traveling with certain speed and it covers the same distance in 2 hours 30 minutes. And the next time, how much its speed should be increased so that it covers the same distance but in 30 minutes less time. 30 minutes less time means first time it is taking 2 hours 30 minutes, next time 30 minutes less. 30 minutes less means only 2 hours. So what is the first speed and what is the second speed? We will calculate speed 1 and speed 2, and then we will find the difference. What is the increase in the speed? Okay, so first we will calculate speed 1 and then we will calculate speed 2. Question number 7. Question number 7, it is given the distance. Distance is 120 kilometer and time is given 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes means 2.5 hours. You can write 2.5 hours means 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 hours. Okay. Now you calculate speed 1. Speed 1, first speed. So it will be distance upon time. Distance upon time. Distance is 120 kilometer and time is 5 by 2 hours. So 120 into 2 by 5. With 5 you will cut 5 2s are 10, 4s are 24, 2s are 48 kilometer per hour. This is speed 1. I hope it is clear. 5 by 2 is the time. We will multiply with the reciprocal. 120 into 2 by 5. With 5 we will divide 120. We will get 24. 24 into 2, 48 kilometer per hour. So this is speed 1. Now next time what is given? It is given that now calculate for the same distance. For the same distance but half hour, half minute, 30 minute less, means half hour less time if the train is taking, then what is the speed of the train? So again second part of this, what you have to do, time is, now what is the time? Time is only 2 hours, 30 minutes less. 30 minutes less time, then it will be 2 hours, and now distance is same. Same distance it has to cover, 120 kilometer. Then what will be its speed? Speed 2 is equal to distance upon time again. Distance upon time means 120 by 2. 60. So the second speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So you can find out what is the increase in the speed. Now the answer, increase in the speed. Increase in the speed is equal to 60 minus 48. That is 12 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. What is the increase in the speed? 12 kilometer per hour. Now question number 8. Two cars start from the same place at the same time in the same direction. The speed of the first car is 70 km per hour and that of the second car is 20 meter per second. Which car is moving faster? First question is which car is moving faster? So you have to see that which car is moving with more speed. Obviously that is moving faster. So here first one is given 70 kilometer per hour first speed and the speed of the second car is 20 meter per second. So you change that 20 meter per second in kilometer per hour, then you can compare it. So first you note down here speed 1, speed of first car. Question number 8. You write speed of first car. First car is equal to 70 kilometer per hour and speed of second car is equal to, second car is 20 meter per second. Change this 20 meter per second in kilometer per hour. 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 4s are and 18 4s are 72. So speed of first car is 70 kilometer per hour and speed of second car you are seeing here is 72 kilometer per hour. So which car is moving faster? What is answer number 1? The second car is moving faster. Second car is moving faster. This is first part of the question number 8. Now we can see second part. What is second part? What is the distance between the cars after 1 hour 50 minutes? So in this you have to find what is the distance covered by both the car in the time given in the question. And after that calculating the distance covered by both the car, then we can compare which car is how much ahead from the other one. Okay, so here first we will note down for car 1. For first car, here you have to find the distance. Distance you have to calculate and its speed is, speed of first car you know 70 kilometer per hour and time, what is the time? Time is same for both the car, 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. So you have to change this in also hours. 1 hour plus 15 by 60 hours. 15 ones are 15 fours are. 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 hours. So this is time. So now what you have to calculate? Distance. Distance for the first car is equal to speed into time. Speed is 70 kilometer per hour and time is 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. Divide it, you will get 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 17.5. So 17.5 into 5 kilometer. 87.5 kilometer is the distance covered by the first car. Same way we can find what is the distance covered by the second car in 1 hour 15 minutes with the speed 72 km per hour. Now for second car, again you have to calculate the distance. And what is the speed of second car? 72 km per hour. Time which is same we have taken in the first one, 5 by 4 hour. The distance is equal to speed into time. Speed what you will take here 72 and time 5 by 4. It will come in kilometer. 18 fours are and 18 fives are 90 kilometer. So what is the gap between these two cars? How much ahead the second one? Second one is going with more speed, so it covers more distance. How much more distance? What you have to calculate in this second part? What is the distance between the car? So you can write here distance between the car. Distance between the cars after 1 hour 15 minutes, and you will minus that 90 kilometer 90 kilometer minus 87.5 kilometer, and that is 12.5 kilometer. 12.5 kilometer. This is your answer. A train takes 6 hours to complete a journey at a speed of 72 km per hour. How long will another train take to complete the same journey if its speed is 15 meter per second? So again, this question is given in two parts. From first part, you will calculate the distance, and then you will calculate the time, how much time it will take to cover the same distance. So first part, we will note down what is given. So time is given 6 hours. Time is equal to 6 hours and speed is equal to, time is 6 hours, speed is 72 kilometers. So you have to calculate distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 72, time is 6. So 6 2s are 12. 432 kilometer will come. The distance will be 432 kilometer. Now in second part it is given that if it is traveling with the speed of 20 meter per second, then how long it will take? 15 meter per second. Sorry, 15 meter per second. If the speed is 15 meter per second and distance is 432 kilometer, then how long it will take means time you have to calculate. So change this meter per second in kilometer per hour. So 15 into 18 by 5. 5 3s are. So it will be 54 kilometer per hour. 54 kilometer per hour is the speed. Now you have to calculate time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Distance is 432 kilometer and speed is 54 kilometer per hour. So here you can cancel with 2 first. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are. Then with 3 both are divisible. 3 9s are and 3 7s are. 3 2s are. 72 by 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are. So answer is 8 hours. This is your answer. Now this is time for homework. So you note down most of the question I have done already on the board. So now you note down this as a homework. Question number 2 second part, question number 3 second part, and question number 10. So these questions you have to try by yourself. Rest all the question I had already explained to you.